Alright, hello guys, welcome to this video tutorial here. My name is Mutusi Sekomba and I'm going to be taking you on this short video tutorial on how to edit Wikimedia sister projects using your mobile phone. So Wikimedia sister projects actually meaning be it Wikipedia, Wikidata, Wikicode or any other Wikimedia sister project. So I'm going to be showing how to do that using your smartphone. So this is how it goes. So you can just go to your search engine and search Wikipedia. I've been searching Wikipedia here. You can just click on that. So it's gonna take you to a platform you can just get right away to Wikipedia. So I'm gonna click English, and then it's gonna take me there. So as you can see, this screen here, the way it shows the platform is not compatible, like you don't really know how to navigate the interface the way it shows. So you can just click on those three dots and then you can say open in Chrome. So after opening in Chrome, you can see that the screen, the interface is still the same. They haven't changed and still not compatible, still confusing. You don't know where exactly to go and how to navigate the interface. So what you need to do is just click on those three dots on your top right corner, and then on that pop-up you can see those sections down there. That is where it says desktop side. There is a box there. Just go and check that box. Make sure you check that box. Then your screen, your interface will change. This mode that we are on now, it's called the desktop mode. This is where you can do everything. You can be able to log in, but then the screen is not yet the interface is not yet friendly that it can allow you and give you the options to log in and do everything else. So we're gonna scroll all the way down. When you scroll all the way down, that is where it says terms of use. To the topmost bottom of your screen, of your interface, that is where it says terms of use, privacy policy. Then that is where it says desktop. That's where you have to click there. Just click the desktop mode so that the interface could change and give you all the options that you are looking for in the interface. So in this case, in this interface, you are now fully able to edit Wikipedia. So this is how you can condition and maybe program your smartphone to be able to edit Wikipedia comfortably on the desktop mode. So for example, for you to start, I believe when you are on this interface, you are now able to do anything that you can do on the desktop. You can just go log in into your account and start your editions. Then boom, there you are. You can start your editions. For example, you can just this is a shortcut for Wikimedia sister projects. So you can say it says Wikimedia sister projects. Start with Wiki Commons and all those lists. Those are the Wikimedia sister projects I've been talking about. So you can just go click. For example, I want to go to Wikicode. I'm just gonna go click there, our Wikicode, and then it's gonna take you straight to the Wikicode platform. So in this case, you don't have to relog in into Wikicode. You already log into Wikicode, so you can start editing Wikicode. So thank you so much, guys. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.